sound, turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly, yeah. 매일 on and on, 계속 원하는 널. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart, I never thought I could love this hard. Oh, I can't get enough. You got me feeling like, you got me singing like, I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but, I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to, you make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like, just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, we are at the Langham again on 5th Avenue. It's been raining. Let me open this. We are at the Langham on 5th Avenue. The Langham. We are about to check in. Hi, how are you? Yes. Thank you. See you again. You're very good. You're very good.
You remember that?
Yeah. Tata. The guy said you remember that, so that's good. Okay.
I don't need your loving. I just steal your heart and I calm myself. I don't need your loving.
All right, guys. So we are at the Langham Hotel. So much content for you all. This is us. Here we are, and the girls are here. We are super excited to be giving you a lot of information. It's gonna be super exciting. So much content for you. So much content for you all. So get ready for us to say hi. See, New Yorkers are very nice. Okay. New Yorkers are nicer than. Thank you. Thank you.
They have this Langham pitch check-in over here that says my name is, and it also has, this is what I look like, and this is my family, and my birthday is this week, guys, so yeah. And it says when I'm older I want to be my favorite candy and my favorite toy. So guys, this is for the Langham pitch check-in.
So we are here. This is all the amazing alcohol that's over here. There we go. And that's our side right there. Hi girl. It has snacks. I just wanted to get in. Wow, this looks like yummy.
You make me go. Na 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 na. She got that melanin. La 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 la. Umaro, umaro, mere tu, umaro, umaro, mere tu, melaro, umaro, mere tu, umaro, umaro. First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and my thighs, I caught you. Hands up high, let me put cuffs on you. You know, I swear I adore you, and I will make you my wife. Put the love on me. I like the melanin.
We just had a great lunch. We're gonna go check into our room and we shall be back around 5 o'clock for lunch. Cheers. All right, guys. So we are gonna go check out our room.
We're gonna go check our room on the 27th floor.
27th floor. That is the last floor.
Highest floor.
The highest floor. The top floor of the top. Okay, guys.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
27.
All right.
And we got the
Let's
key.
see. Let's see our room. 2704, guys.
You can go visit it if you want.
All right, girls, guys, let's go on the 27th floor. So once again, we are at the 2704. We are at the Langham Hotel on 5th Avenue in New York. Once 5th Avenue in New York. Ooh, let's see. Guys, look at this. Presidential suite. Okay, is this us?
Guys, we did not get this room last time.
Guys, we are check out our room. Okay, so come closer and check out our room. And I know I got my champagne right here and it's delicious. It's so good. But we are on 5th Avenue, New York City, guys. Langham Hotel. If you haven't stayed here, you gotta try it out. Come see our room. Check this. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, complimentary happy birthday, Lacey. Look, happy birthday.
9 years old.
What? Oh my God. Is that penitent? Oh my gosh. What?
Guess I wanna know. Baby, come and show me. Take my heart. I never thought I.
Is it drink sparkling? Carbonated? Oh my God.
Look, a candle for you for memories.
The candle memory for you for memories. Oh wow. Oh my God, the balloons are here. Happy birthday. Whoa.
We got a lot to talk about.
We got a lot to talk about. Hey guys, this is just a sneak peek. We're gonna do a real review for you all for Lexington's birthday. She's celebrating her birthday. She's a pink girl. Oh my God, Pastor. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, now guys, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. All right, we're gonna do a real review for you all. Okay, this is gorgeous and amazing. So cute. Parentica. Paddington. So cute. Everybody's all over Paddington. All right, girls. And you got your rose.
After we do the bubble bath.
Yep, you gotta talk about that. And happy 9th birthday, Lexington. Oh, they have shrimp. Hey. So we are at the club lounge, and it's dinner time. We have some hot and cold seafood platter. They have the vegetable spring roll. They have the coconut shrimp and all of that. So here we go. There we have it. Then you have dessert. We have all these vegetables. And then that's my family right there. And then of course, if you want any espresso, they do have espresso as well. Ooh.
In the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm
Hopefully.
and argue about everything. You are my darling. This kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say. If you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right.
Guys, so this omelet I just had, that omelet right there, you see it? It's almost done. It is the best omelet ever. So good. Delicious. If you come to the Langham, make sure you are getting the omelet.
So sweet, both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk.
At the Langham is so amazing. We met Justin, Jackie, and we met some other guys that were at the club lounge, and they were so amazing. But I have to find his name. Girl, what's the name of the other guy? Justin and who? Okay, we all can't remember, but it's just for Justin for sure. Shout out to Justin. Shout out to Jackie. Jackie, we loved our room. Our room was so amazing. We cannot wait to bring other people there. Thank you so much for everything. Shout out to you all. And shout out to the Langham Hotel for you guys always being amazing, because we have, this is our second time getting back there. Our second time here, and it keeps getting better and better and better. That means you guys are doing an amazing job.
Guys, I'm gonna show you something really cool. Come on here. Oh, well, God, who's that? Who's that? Let's see. Yes. Guys, that is us. Guys, go watch our YouTube channel. It's the best.